Hi everyone, welcome back. So here's my Kelly 25. But what I'm really showing you is, I'll link up here in the cards to my longer video on Petite Leather Studio's bag charms. So here is the one on my Kelly. And this is a mini Kelly Dolly in cream and orange. And he has his own Pegasus here. So I haven't done a really good job attaching him because I am not an artistic creative type like that. But I wanted to show you what the bag charm looks like on the bag. And also the feel of the leather is incredible. It's really a beautiful piece. And you can also open this charm. And when you do, this one will hold an AirPod, but the other ones will. So when you do that, you will find inside an exact copy, including to scale, and stitching and hardware sourced from multiple companies so that they have something exact. You will find a replica, this one's palladium hardware, of the hardware inside as well. And the same fold lines, the same stitching pattern and everything. So I wanted to show you what these actually look like on the bag because I did kind of an unveiling of this company that I just really want to support their business. I think they have an incredible opportunity to really help us make our bags more interesting. A lot of people don't like to decorate their bags, and I hear you. I actually have not done that with any of the Hermes charms myself, but these are really cool. So I just wanted to show you what one looks like on a Kelly. And in another video, I will do one of the garden party, and I'll do one of the croc Birkin, and you can see what they look like. So Petite Leather Studios, if you're interested in buying any of these, in my description is a link that will save you some money. I will also get a small affiliate commission. This is an unpaid, unsolicited review of their work. And so I just wanted to show you again what it actually looks like on the bag. Okay, so let me show you the next one. I attached this one to my black Kelly 25. This is the garden party. So because of the size of this bag, it looks a little bit out of place. That's my fault. That's not because of the scale of this particular garden party. I just don't have